All right, what's going on, everybody? Connor here from Mosberry.com on Friday, January 10th, 2020, to do another 5-box 18, 19, 20 Prizm NBA Explosion Mixer. Random team style number 2. We just drew your teams. POI got the Wiz, MDES with the Hornets, POI also with the Grizzlies, Dane with the Pelicans. Damn, that was the first 4 teams on Wizard, Hornets, Grizzlies, Pels, and the Hawks. Fun Machine with the Hawks, Kevin Clippers, Duck with the Timberwolves, Kasai Cavaliers, Jay Horton Kings, Charlie with the Knicks, T-Bay Bucks, Mavericks, Joe May Magic. Beyond Pacers, Jazz, Joe May, Kasai traded for the Sixers, POI Suns, Greg with the Blazers, Charlie Bucks, Dan with the Lakers, Zach Z with the Celtics, Big Mick Bulls, Greg with the Heat, B Moon, Brooklyn Nets, D North with the Warriors, M Silverstein, Spurs, Lefty traded for the Pistons, Drew 2 B Ball with the Nuggets, Powboard Thunder, Kasai Rockets, and B Young with the Raptors. No Hillis credits going on in this one, but all card ship. Good luck. All right, let's start off with retail 18 or 1920 like we did the last one. All right, first box. Retail 1920. Silver Marvin Bagley. Green Prizm rookie of Justin James for the Kings. Silver Prizm Alonzo Mourning, Rui Hachimura base card, Wizards. First auto is a Langston Galloway for the Pistons on the Straight Mojo lefty. Kristaps Porzingis, Red Wave. Green Prizm Joe Ingles. Silver Josh Okogie. RJ Barrett base rookie for New York. Silver TJ Warren. Alright. Red Wave Marcus Saul. That's a Red Wave rookie Ty Jerome for Phoenix. Silver Della Vadova. Green Prizm Terrence Ross. Emergent Zion. And silver Mifiondu Kabengele for the Clippers. Silver Prizm base. Clips Kev. Alright. Let's do some fanatical. Got a jersey in this Fanatics box. right. Silver Bowl. Silver Prism Bowl for the Denver Nuggets. Bowl. RJ Barrett base. Knicks. First green ice out of Fanatics is a Devin Booker. Nice one, Suns. Nice bet, green ice. Book. Silver window Carter. Second green ice is a rookie. Nuggets box. Congrats. Bo. DeAndre Hunter, green ice, cracked 47 out of 56 jersey for the Hawks. ATL Fun Machine. Silver Prism Norman Powell. Green ice of Lonzo Ball for the Pelicans. Silver Instant Impact Montes Sixers. And green ice Russell Westbrook for the Rockets. Houston. Alright, let's do the choice. Good luck. Nebula. Nice silver rookie up top. It's Quindari Weatherspoon, silver Prism rookie base. And then a silver Kobe. Oh, we got 3 silvers in here. Silver Kobe. Interesting. There's a silver of Avery Bradley and the Tiger for this one. Not a rookie again. Vet Mike Scott. Mike Scott vet for the Sixers. Tiger Prism. SP. Short print. Congrats, Kasai. Mike Scott. Rookie auto Red Scope Prism. That's a true rookie auto for the Celtics. Red Scope Boston Zach Z. Red Scope Prism. Red Scope base of Serge Ibaka for the Raptors. That one is 88 of 88. Last one stamped. Lucky 88. Serge Ibaka, Raptors. Alright, yellow, green, blue, candy cane, Victor Oladipo, Pacers. Seth Curry on the Mavericks. I'm on the Mavs here. Yep. And Jordan Clarkson, Cavaliers. Cleveland closing out choice. All right, let's go to 18-19 retail. The last break of the night, Contenders Basketball half case random is next. Bobo. I'm loving it. Yeah, I think apparently Tigers, somebody, I don't know who it was. Somebody was telling me that they think there's like 20 copies or less on the Tigers per player. All right, retail. $18.19. You got a Nene auto and a silver rookie of Mitchell Robinson for the Knicks. Nene Houston Rockets auto. Silver Prism Mitchell Robinson. Silver Prism base Knicks. Mitchell Rob. DiVincenzo. That's green Prism Crowder. Red Wave Collison. Silver Prism Berea. Wendell Carter. We'll top load that for the Bulls. Green Kobe Dominance. Jacob Evans. Jaren Jackson Emergent Rookie Insert. Silver Rook Troy Brown for the Wizards. Troy Brown, Washington. Silver Courtney Lee. Silver Steph. Jaren Jackson base rookie card for the Memphis Grizzlies. Green Prism Marcus Morris. Tristan Thompson. Shai Gilgeous base rookie for the Clippers. Green Prism Jermichael Green. Jaren Jackson freshman Phenoms insert. Silver Pistol Pete. Lonnie Walker base rookie for the Spurs. And a Red Wave rookie of Yuta Watanabe Grizzlies. Alright, last box. Hobby. Contenders Basketball up next. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Alright, so RJ Barrett. Good luck, everybody. Last box. Hobby. Silver DeJounte. This is Williamson far out insert. Pelicans. Red Lonnie Walker to 299. Red Prism for the Spurs. Hyper Daniel Gafford for the Bulls. Silver Rookie Grant Williams, Boston Celtics. Zach Z. Silver Prism Grant. Rookie auto right on the top here is a Kevin Porter for the Cavaliers. Kevin Porter Kasai. Kevin Porter Jr. Rookie auto. Silver John Wall. Blue Prism Willie Cauley-Stein for the Warriors to 199. Silver Clay. China Clay. Purple Ice of Bradley Beal for the Wizards to 149. 106 to 149. Silver Steve Nash. And a James Ennis auto for the Sixers. James Ennis Kasai. Rui Hachimura base. Red Wave Derrick Rose, D Rose. Alright, last stack. Blue Prism rookie Keldon Johnson for the Spurs. Blue rookie Keldon Johnson. 8 out of 199. Keldon. And an orange, man. I don't remember the last time I've seen an orange. It's a vet. Jaren Jackson for the Memphis Grizzlies. Orange Prism. 2649. Second year orange Prism. A Silver Will Bard, and Red Wave Gafford is going to close it out. All right, guys, that was another 5-box explosion night. NBA Prizm Mixer, 18-19-20 Prizm Mixer. That was random team style number 2 on Friday, January 10th, 2020. Congrats everybody that got a nice hit in parallel. We're shipping all cards, no hitless credits though. Contenders basketball, last break of that coming up next. Appreciate you guys as always.